And by golly, here we are again. Let's head on over to the easel and paint a dock, and let's get that boat painted. We're not going to scrape barnacles. We're just going to paint the boat. Okay? Get your supplies if you're painting with me. Meet me over there. And here we go. Okay. We got some structure here, and we got a boat that we need to put in. So let's just start with our structure over here. Just like that. Okay? We'll just paint that right in. We just activate the watercolor pencil that's already there. Just like that. And just in case you didn't know, you can do entire paintings with that watercolor pencil. You sure can. So don't be afraid to invest in one. I mean, you can scare yourself to death with prices on things, but even the more budget-minded sets are really nice. Now, let's just paint our boat here. Just like that. Okay, just like that. We got the shaded side over there, okay? Now we'll just pull little reflections down in the water. And by golly, our boat is now docked up by the shore. Okay, now tomorrow we'll switch our attention over here, and we'll put in a few trees and a little bit of land, and all that remains after that, just work a little bit on some wave action out here, and our painting is done. So be with me tomorrow, and let's get some more done on the painting. And remember, in the meantime, to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Those of you on YouTube, hit the bell icon. And for goodness sakes, everybody leave comments. That helps us reach more people. And remember that Ann and I both love you. We love you. We love you. And by golly, we got that painted in lickety-split time. Now, tomorrow, we're going to do a little bit of work on the other side. Maybe we'll get some work done on the water. So meet me here tomorrow, and be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit that bell icon on YouTube so you get all notifications. And be sure to comment. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.